Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very small tutorial, very brief tutorial, nothing spectacular. It's my first ever one, don't expect a lot please. But what I'm going to show you how to make is one of my little doily side pockets. As you can see, it acts as a side pocket here, so you can just put things in once it's sewn into your journal. So this is my Bloom in the Blues journal, which you will see in another time. So with that mysterious departure, I'll tell you what you need. You need obviously a doily. Let me just shut them on camera. Up I am. You need a doily. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need some glue. You will need some paper. It's very simple actually. You may actually even need a ruler and a pencil, which I'm just reaching for and dropping things. So there we go, a ruler and a pencil. And I think that's pretty much it. So what I do, again just checking that I'm on camera, I just very simply, I mean this may work with a larger doily, I don't know, I've only ever done it with these little ones for obvious reasons. But anyway, you work out the halfway point of them just by picking on a particular point in the doily and just draw a line, just eyeball it, and then cut the doily in half. Very simple. I wouldn't recommend using a paper trimmer for this because these things are very thin, and we all know how well paper trimmers, you know, the Fiskars ones, the ones that slide up and down, how well they handle thin paper, don't we? Yeah, we do. They make mincemeat of it. Anyway, you take another one of your other halves and again you find the middle point of it and just roughly eyeball it and do a straight line straight down with your pencil and then cut that one in half like that. Yeah, and then assuming that you're working in an A5 size journal, again this is very rough, you take your sheet of paper. I find it best if you actually work with let me just, yep, I'm onto paper, I'm onto green. I find it works best if you use a contrasting colour of paper to your doily. So if you coffee dyed your doily, or you know, some other kind of dye, then it worked well to use a different colour, maybe white or some other colour of paper underneath. So then I put this in the corner like that. Now you need to stick it to the paper, don't stick it to the page that's in the journal because otherwise you won't be able to use it. So you get your UHU stick. I've got to say, normally I hate this stuff, and normally I use 3-in-1, Fabri-Tac, whatever you like. That stuff doesn't wrinkle paper, but in this case it's not going to work because there's holes through this. So what you need to do is to take your UHU stick and just roughly dab the glue on, and it will go all over the place. So if you are one of these people who uses a glue paste, there you see glue all over the place, then this would be a very good time to actually do it. I've tried doing it. I find absolutely no reason to actually prolong using. Am I on screen? Yep, I am. Prolong using the UHU stuff. Can't stand it, it's horrible. So get rid of that. I really should use something to protect my desk. Anyway, is that one? No, I'm going to turn this around so I don't get glue all over my desk again. I'm learning. Slowly. Right, flip this over. More glue on the back. There we go. Just dab it on, very rough. And pick the paper up. Turn it back around. And put it on the other corner. There we go. And you can always straighten up the corners if you've not got it exactly right afterwards. Stick it down like that. You could probably use Mod Podge as well, PVA glue, to paint the whole thing and then stick it down that way. That might actually be better. Anyway, get some more UHU glue. There we go. Put it up and then stick it back down roughly between them. This is very much an eyeball kind of tutorial. I mean, if you're the kind of person that likes eyeballing, then you know you will like this. You will like this. And just stick that down very roughly. Now at this point, because there's glue all over it, if you use UHU glue, I would recommend actually waiting for it to dry. That's not actually straight. Wait for it to dry so that you can handle it without getting glue all over it, but we don't have time for that. So at this point we'll cut this off in order to get rid of the bit with the glue on. We can shut that, and then you go around and you do your fussy cutting all the way around like that. So obviously if you've chosen a doily that is very, very intricate, that's when you're going to be absolutely cursing yourself. But if you've been smart and you've chosen a doily that is not so intricate like this one, then you can just go around quite quickly, and provided you don't get stuck to it anyway, you can go around it quite quickly like that, just very roughly. And this is very doable. You know, if you're used to fussy cutting, then this would be a doddle. Yeah, so you've got that. And you know what, if you want to, when you've got this piece, if you've cut this piece straight and you can, it's a different colour, then you can flip it over and you can do it like that if you really want to. That's certainly what I did in my other journal, the mysterious one, which if I can find the relevant page again, wherever it is, there it is. There you can see that there's blue paper, mine's green, yeah. There's blue paper underneath the doily paper here, and I've just cut that piece off that was on the other side of there, and I flipped it over and put it on top. And then what you do, once this is all stuck together properly and you fussy cutted it all correctly, fussy cutted it, is that a word? It is now. You put your put it on your page properly and you sew around it, and then job done. You have a doily page tag, and it works either way. You can resize it. You can do it for, you know, whatever journal size you've got. Obviously, it much depends on your particular glue groupers. Yeah. Hate glue groupers. I'm in the wrong thing. I know. I'm in the wrong thing for glue groupers. But anyway, obviously you can resize this for whatever journal you like, whatever journal you've got. Play around with, you know, your particular doilies. If you've got one of these doilies that's got like a circle inside and you've got a little bit more decoration in the middle, a bigger doily perhaps, then you could cut that bit off. You know, you can really play around with this, and it's open to a lot of possibilities. You could, I suppose, even emboss it and run distress ink over the top. So you know, it's got a lot of possibilities, this, and I haven't explored all of them yet. Although I don't think I'm going to be taking this one very far because I don't think it's particularly well done. It's a very, very quick, very dodgy tutorial. I'm not even sure I shall post it. There's the fussy cutting. Not very good. Bit better. That's not too bad actually. I might post this after, go down a bit further there. Obviously the problem with this is these points here are the weak spots. Am I on screen now? Yeah. These are the weak spots of the page. So whatever you're putting into your side pocket, you need to make sure that it's able to handle those weak spots. So yeah. And you could possibly even put some decorating in there as well. If you've got a circle or something that is nice. I haven't got anything to hand right now, but you could put something in there, and possibly even in the half quarter bits there as well if you wanted to redecorate it some more. So there's lots of possibilities with this particular technique. I think are worth exploring. So I hope you found this interesting. You've had a really good laugh at my bumbling first attempt to do a tutorial. I promise future ones will be better. And you know what? I think I'm going to call it a day for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Bye for now. We'll see you next time. Bye.